Okay, so you're using a graduated cylinder. You'll be measuring out the colored water. Always look at eye level. So if you're holding it, you can't see. It may be tilted, so you won't get the correct volume. So the first measurement is 9.5. If you look at eye level, this is exactly 9. So I could try to add, but because of the graduations on the cylinder, it's better to use the pipette, which has volume on it. This is a 2 milliliter, so it's in increments of 0.5, 0.51, 1.52. So I need the fluid to go to that first line, and I'll just put it into the red. Squeeze the bulb, and then you have. Once you have an air bubble, you can't read that. So my test tubes would have been already marked before I start pouring the colored water in. Make sure that you get all of the color fluid out. And this is a very important step. I don't know if you can see it. There's still colored water in the graduated cylinder as well as the pipette. So you will have a container of water. You're going to use a sink for the graduated cylinder and rinse it out, making sure that you drain as much water as possible out. And for the pipette, you're just going to put it into the water, the clear water, squeeze the bulb, pull in the water, and squirt it out so that it is cleaned out. Otherwise, you're going to contaminate that. So you'll do the same following the yellow and blue. I'll just show you. And then actually rinse this out. You can see that there's still red on there. And again, you read at eye level, follow the correct volume. Now, if you have too much and you have a longer 50 milliliter, you can use the pipette to remove some of it, or you could pour it out and try again, or you can use the pipette to add. The one thing that you want to make sure that you do is to always clean out the pipette and the graduated cylinder after each use. Then as you get further along, it'll ask you to do 3.5 milliliters or 2 milliliters. There are different sized pipettes at each lab table. Please make sure that you read the volume carefully before you use it to determine a particular amount of colored water to put into each test tube. And always thoroughly rinse these out.